Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these at a low cost and fast and free shipping. And they'll ship this to you in no time. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. I'm going to put you on pause and open this box up. See, big one. Not sure what's in it. We're about to find out. Alright guys, this is coming from HadinEEon. I think. Automatic food vacuum sealer. Vacuum seal, wide compatibility, premium quality, AC/DC. Rock on. Not that group, but AC/DC port. Overheating protection. Alright, we're going to take a look and see how this works. Here's the box. This is what it looks like when you get it. Here's all the text. There's that. And the back side, same thing. Now we're going to get inside. So definitely stock up on one of these. Might want to grab 2 of them. These are selling out fast, especially during this certain crisis going on in the world. A lot of people have been buying these up and using them for their meats, vegetables, frozen vegetables, and stuff like that. So this is definitely a good one to get right here, especially with the stimmy money coming through. So you guys might want to stock up. Get a little heads up. Got the manual right there, and then you got some bags. That's always a good thing. Got a good amount for starters. A few sheets, 5. Okay. And we got this right here. Okay. I'm going to take this thing out. Close the lid. Go. Put that right there. That's what it looks like. And then the power cord right here. Shove that over there. These off. Oh, this is a nice one. This is a fancy dancy one. We got some kind of hose. Ooh, look at this. Seal, pressure, vac seal, food, dry, moist, normal, gentle. And got it all. So this must be where the power goes. Here's where the hose goes, right here. Oh boy. Always something new to learn. It's always a good thing. But I might have done one a couple years back, but I just don't remember. I'll give it a try though. Hopefully I could do this right without wasting too many bags. Maybe one shot deal. So hopefully it goes that way. Here we go. That's a good thing. It's protected. Okay, manual. Definitely gonna need this. Sometimes I could just figure it out just like that, but something like this, never used before. Like I said, if I could figure it out, you guys could too. Okay, so we got the manual right there. Release button on the side. Sealing foam gasket, something like that. Vacuum channel, vacuum nozzle, release button. Okay, so that's what we're gonna need to do is release. See right here? pull it up. I got a sticker right here. I don't know if I could remove it. Yeah, I could. Oh. Oh man. I guess we'll leave it on. I don't think it matters. Here's the inside, what it looks like. Oh, ouch. Okay, step 2. Oh, this is a vacuum package with accessory hose. So this is a vacuum. We'll do vacuum nozzle. So that goes right in there. If you guys can see it. Right there. I think one side goes there. Yeah, it doesn't take that long to figure this out, hopefully. Alright, give me 1 second. Okay guys, stick this side into that part. There we go, like so. Being in there. And next, just gotta power this thing on. So check these guys out. And get your vacuum sealer. Okay, so just plug it in like so. There we go. And next we'll just plug it in. Get my cord. Oh yeah. Okay, we got power. There we go. Next, we're gonna do and that was a test run, but it does work. I'm gonna seal the bag now. Hold on 1 sec. Alright guys, we got the bag in place. And hit the seal button. It should seal it. Oops. And dang. Look at that. Perfect seal. That was easy to use. So check these guys out. Link will be down below. What else could we do? Maybe get some air in it. Try that out for a second. Whoops. There we go. I'll just cut this little hole. And then now, take this. Air pressure, back seal pressure. Settle. Okay, here we go. Stick this Whoops. Try to get down under the T. Here we go. Come on. Now I can't get the hole. Oh man. Come on. Here we go. So we're gonna try that works. Whoa. Oops. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's there. It works. You can hear it. So really cool. Check them out. Automatic food vacuum sealer. Amazon Prime. Links down below. You guys have a good night. Be safe and see you soon.